Hey, you said you felt like garbage today. You thought it was just a bad day, but maybe it's more than that. Feeling tired and sad all the time isn't just a bad mood. It could be something deeper. Have you ever felt so drained that getting out of bed seemed impossible? Or days went by where you just didn't want to do anything? You might have just been feeling depressed. No, it's not the same as feeling blue or having a bad day. It's much more than that. So what exactly is depression? Well, imagine your brain is a complex machine with chemicals that keep it running smoothly. Depression is like a glitch in the system. These chemicals that keep you happy and active, they get out of balance. So even simple things like getting out of bed, cooking, or answering messages can feel hard, and you might find yourself not wanting to do the things you used to love, like hanging out with friends, playing your favorite sport, or even eating your favorite foods. It's not because you're being lazy or don't care. It's because depression has a way of making everything seem pointless. You might feel too tired to do anything or believe that nothing makes you happy anymore. It's like an invisible force that's draining your energy and making it hard to enjoy anything. And here's the thing. Depression isn't just feeling sad. It can also make you feel numb, like there's no point to anything anymore. It can make you question if you really want to keep going. But here's the most important thing to remember. Depression is treatable. With the right support and strategies, you can overcome it and start enjoying life again. So let's talk about some ways you can help yourself feel better. First, try to maintain a daily routine. It may sound simple, but things like waking up, showering, and eating breakfast at the same time every day can help your brain get back into a rhythm. Depression often messes with your sleep, appetite, and energy levels. But by sticking to a routine, you're giving your brain a sense of normalcy. Second, get sunlight every day. Sunlight does wonders for your mood. So open those curtains. Take a 10-minute walk outside. This can help boost those mood-regulating chemicals in your brain and give you a little pick-me-up. Third, stay connected. Talk to a friend, family member, or someone you trust. Send a quick message saying, "Hey, how are you?" or share a funny meme. Social connection is super important, especially when you're struggling. And if you don't feel like talking, send a message. Isolation can make things worse, but knowing people care can make a big difference. Fourth, break tasks into small steps. When you're depressed, it's easy to get overwhelmed. Chores like cleaning your room or homework can seem impossible, so break them into tiny steps. Instead of saying, "I'll clean my whole room," say, "I'll fold one shirt." This way, you're setting small, achievable goals that will help you build momentum and feel accomplished without getting burnt out. Finally, seek professional help. Therapists are like detectives of the mind. They can help uncover the root causes of your depression and guide you toward feeling better. There are different types of therapy that can be really helpful, such as CBT, which is cognitive behavioral therapy, and interpersonal therapy. Remember, you're not alone. Reaching out for help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Depression is like a dark cloud that can follow you for a while, but it doesn't define who you are. Taking care of your mental health is just as important as taking care of your physical health. So don't hesitate to reach out to a trusted adult or mental health professional. You've got this. If you found this video helpful, don't hesitate to reach out to a trusted adult or mental health professional. Here are some additional resources that can offer support and guidance. Thank you for watching. And remember, you matter. National Suicide Prevention Lifeline, 988. Crisis Text Line, text HOME to 741741. The Trevor Project, 1-866-488-7386. Remember, you're not alone. Help is available.